Hey, TikTok creators, want to unlock hidden ways to monetize your content? You've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to share some secret strategies to help you turn your TikTok passion into income. So, let's dive in. First up, TikTok's ad revenue system. TikTok shows ads in between videos, and if your content is popular, you might see some ad revenue coming your way. Factors like your audience size, engagement rates, and video watch time influence how much you can earn. But remember, more views and engagement mean higher chances of ad placement. Next, the TikTok Creator Fund. To be eligible, you need to be at least 18 years old, have a minimum of 10,000 followers, and at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. The payout structure isn't exactly transparent, but it's based on views and engagement. So keep those videos coming and make them engaging. Brand partnerships are another fantastic way to earn. Brands are always on the lookout for influencers to promote their products. If you have a niche audience, reach out to brands that align with your content. Sponsored content can be super lucrative if done right. Now, let's talk affiliate marketing. You can promote products or services through affiliate links. When your followers purchase something using your link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win. Just make sure the products align with your brand to keep your audience's trust. Ever thought about selling merchandise? If you have a loyal fan base, creating and selling merch can be a great income source. Use platforms like Teespring or Merch by Amazon to design and sell your own branded products. It's a fantastic way to connect with your audience and earn money. And don't forget TikTok Live. Going live allows you to earn tips and gifts from your viewers. The more engaging and interactive your live streams are, the more likely your audience will support you. Plus, it's a great way to build a stronger connection with your followers. So what's the best strategy? From my experience, a mix of these methods works best. Diversifying your income streams ensures stability and maximizes your earning potential. But remember, it's not always easy. There will be challenges like fluctuating engagement and changing algorithms. Stay adaptable and keep experimenting. As for future trends, I see more brands jumping on TikTok and more creators leveraging new features for monetization. Be ready to evolve and keep an eye on updates to stay ahead. To wrap it up, creating quality content is key. Focus on what resonates with your audience and stay authentic. Keep experimenting, stay consistent, and the rewards will follow. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Happy creating. SocialTech World Watermark.